Donald Trump has a very aggressive agenda for immigration. In this video, I'm going to talk about the top 10 policies that he's talked about, including those that he wants to launch on day one. The first big policy issue, of course, is carrying out the largest deportation campaign in U.S. history, mass deportations. He plans to firstly go after individuals with a criminal record, those who have recently been released into the United States under the Biden administration, so migrants who crossed over into the U.S. recently. Thirdly, they plan to immediately go after individuals who have a removal order in the United States who have not yet left the country. There are over 1 million individuals in the U.S. today with a removal order. In one of my earlier videos, I've talked with you about why mass deportations will be incredibly difficult to carry out. It's not very realistic in some regards. Watch that video to learn more about the issues or problems that the administration is likely to face when trying to carry out a mass deportation campaign. Number two, they plan to set up more detention camps to house individuals who they plan to round up for deportations. Number three, they will end catch and release. Under the catch and release policy that the Biden administration has in place, individuals who try to cross over into the United States illegally, they are detained for just a short period of time, maybe even a few hours or maybe a day or two, and then they're released on U.S. soil to take their case before an immigration judge and wait on the inside of the United States for a decision in their case. The Trump administration will not be doing that. If they catch you at the border, they will immediately send you back home. Number four, they will also reinstate the Remain in Mexico policy to prevent migrants from asking for asylum at the U.S. border. If you're crossing into the United States through a third country like Mexico, the new Trump administration will require that you stop there and seek asylum rather than coming all the way to the U.S. border and seek asylum. Friends, I've created a terrific free resource for you called Protecting Immigrants' Rights to Be in the United States. In it, I outline your constitutional rights. In the event that you're detained by immigration authorities, you will be prepared and know exactly what to do. Download this free guide today and be sure to share it with others. Number five, ending birthright citizenship via executive order. Donald Trump has talked about the fact that having babies in the United States who are U.S. citizens is an incentive to attract more illegal entrants. The executive order is expected to direct federal agencies to stop giving automatic citizenship to children who are born to a foreigner here in the United States, unless at least one parent is a green card holder or a U.S. citizen. This is sure to be challenged in the courts, of course. The ACLU and other organizations are gearing up. They're ready to go with litigation to challenge not only this, but many other policies that are likely to come down under the Trump administration. Number six, ending TPS or temporary protected status for countries like Haiti and Venezuela. Number seven, continuing to build the border wall once Congress gives it the money to do so. As of the filming of today's video, we still do not know whether the Republicans will retain control of the House. If they end up retaining control of the House, rebuilding the border wall will be something that will happen immediately in 2025. Number eight, reinstating travel bans on Muslim majority countries. Number nine, revoking all of the Biden policies about immigration and reinstating all of the previous Trump policies that he had in place, directing USCIS, DHS, and other agencies to take a very strong stance on immigration. As they reinstate those policies, friends, I will be sure to break them down for you and what it could potentially mean for your case. And then number 10, denaturalized citizens. This is a huge issue that I know that many people are very concerned about. I'm going to do another video breaking it down for you, including who could potentially be at risk for being denaturalized. Guys, I hope you found this very helpful. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you will not miss any of my updates each week. Thanks so much for watching. Comment below and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.